It is series of video lectures in which we are covering second year physics chapter 12. In this video, we are covering some definitions like electron volt and comparison between electric and gravitational forces. According to examination point of view, these definitions appear with weightage of 2 marks each. Now, let's look at electron volt first. To understand this definition, we focus on the figure as shown. Consider a charge is placed in uniform electric field. If this charge is released from this point, it will accelerate towards negative plate due to electrostatic force. As it moves down, its velocity increases and hence its kinetic energy. And as a result, it loses its potential energy. To find potential energy loss or change in potential energy, we will use equation del U equals to Q naught delta V. Now, if this charge that we are considering in the figure has charge E 1.6 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb, then putting this value in this equation, we get E delta V equals 1.6 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. The delta Ke means change in kinetic energy. When charge moves down, it gains kinetic energy at the cost of potential energy. If we assume that potential difference between 2 points has value of 1 volt, then gain in kinetic energy equals Q delta V 1.6 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb, and putting or replacing delta V by 1 volt, we will get 1.6 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb multiplied by volt equals joule. Thus, increase in kinetic energy equals 1.6 10 raised to minus 19 joule. This energy is called 1 electron volt. So here it is written that the amount of energy equal to 1.6 10 raised to minus 19 joule is called 1 electron volt and is denoted by EV, 1 EV, and it is defined as the amount of energy acquired or lost by an electron as it is moved or traverse a potential difference of 1 volt. Thus, 1 electron volt equals to 1.6 10 raised to minus 19 joule. To understand this definition, let's look at this figure. These are 2 points with potential difference of 1 volt. And if we release an electron here and it moves from one point to another point with potential difference of 1 volt, then this electron will gain or lose energy which is called 1 electron volt, and it will be equal to 1.6 10 raised to minus 19 joule. According to examination point of view, there are 2 things in this topic. First, the definition of the electron volt, which is written over here. Short question that frequently appear in the past papers that show that 1 electron volt equals to 1.6 10 raised to minus 19. Then to prove this, we will start writing from here to this line. It has a weightage of 2 marks in the past papers. Now the second short question that frequently appear is comparison between electric and gravitational forces. In this portion, we will study the differences and similarities between gravitational forces and electric forces. The common things between these 2 forces is that the gravitational force and Coulomb force both are conservative forces, and work done along closed path by these forces always gives 0. The second common thing between them is both forces obey inverse square law, or both forces are inversely proportional to square of distance between the 2 particles. The difference between them is the magnitude of the forces. The value of constants is very different in each equation. Value of G, gravitational constant, is much smaller than the value of electrical constant 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught, which results in difference that electrical forces are much greater than, stronger than gravitational forces. or we can say that gravitational force is very weak as compared to electrical forces. The second difference between the two forces is that electrostatic force can be attractive or repulsive, while the gravitational force is always attractive force. And the third difference between them is electrical forces are medium dependent forces. When we change medium between the charged particles, the force value changes with the medium. But gravitational forces does not depend upon the medium, and it cannot be shielded by any means. If we conclude the lecture, we have two similarities. Both forces are conservative. Both forces obey inverse square law. And three differences. Electric force is much stronger than gravitational force. Gravitational force is always attractive, while electrical forces can be attractive or repulsive. And third difference is electrical forces are medium dependent, while gravitational forces cannot be shielded by any means. This comparison can be asked as short question with 2 marks in the paper. Okay students, if you have some problems in the about the topics, then you can mention these in the comments below. Thank you very much.